If you've ever spent hours at the gym pushing through intense sets, maximizing your reps, and grinding through soreness only to wonder why your muscles aren't growing as fast as you hoped, the answer might not be your workout. It's probably your nutrition. Building muscle is a science, and while your training regimen lays the foundation, it's your diet that provides the materials your body needs to actually construct new muscle tissue. The truth is, without the right fuel, your body simply doesn't have the raw materials to recover, grow, and perform. This isn't just about eating more calories. It's about eating the right foods that support muscle protein synthesis, reduce inflammation, optimize hormone levels, and provide lasting energy. And while supplements and protein shakes can help, whole foods are where the real power lies. So, what should you be eating if your goal is fast, effective, and sustainable muscle growth? Let's break down the top muscle-building foods that should be at the core of every athlete's or bodybuilder's diet. And chances are, you're overlooking some of them. Starting with a bodybuilding classic, eggs are more than just a breakfast staple. They're one of the most complete sources of high-quality protein you can consume. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source perfect for muscle repair and growth. But that's not all. Eggs are rich in leucine, a branched-chain amino acid, BCA, that plays a critical role in initiating muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build muscle tissue after workouts. Plus, they come packed with vital micronutrients like vitamin D, B12, choline, and healthy fats that support hormone production and overall metabolic health. Another powerhouse protein source that should never be underestimated is the humble chicken breast. Lean, affordable, and incredibly versatile, chicken breast has become synonymous with fitness for a good reason. It delivers a high dose of protein with very little fat, allowing you to hit your protein targets without overshooting your caloric intake. Consuming high-quality protein like that found in chicken breast helps repair muscle fibers torn during resistance training, facilitating faster recovery and more noticeable muscle gains. Additionally, chicken is a good source of niacin and selenium, 2 nutrients that support energy metabolism and immune function, both crucial for recovery and performance. But what if you're looking for a protein source that also helps support your joints and reduce muscle inflammation after a hard workout? That's where fatty fish, especially salmon, comes into play. Wild-caught salmon is not just a great source of complete protein. It's also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These healthy fats have been shown in numerous studies to reduce muscle soreness, improve protein synthesis, and even help preserve muscle mass in times of caloric deficit. Omega-3s also support heart health and cognitive function, making salmon a food that fuels both your body and your brain. On top of that, salmon contains vitamin D and B vitamins, which contribute to bone health and energy production, vital for any athlete trying to train consistently and build a strong, muscular physique. While animal proteins often take center stage in muscle-building discussions, no list would be complete without including a high-quality dairy option like Greek yogurt. What makes Greek yogurt especially effective for building muscle is its unique protein composition. It contains both fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. This combination delivers an immediate supply of amino acids to the muscles while also providing a sustained release of nutrients over time, making Greek yogurt an ideal post-workout or nighttime snack. In addition to its protein content, Greek yogurt also provides calcium for bone strength, probiotics for digestive health, and important B vitamins. When consumed with a carbohydrate source like berries, oats, or honey, it becomes a perfect recovery meal that supports both muscle and gut health. Plant-based athletes aren't left out of the muscle-building conversation either. Enter quinoa, a rare example of a plant-based complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. While often considered a carb, quinoa is actually an excellent muscle food because it delivers protein, fiber, complex carbohydrates, and key minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc, all in one convenient package. Magnesium is particularly important because it plays a role in muscle contraction and energy metabolism, while iron supports oxygen transport to muscles, vital during both workouts and recovery. Unlike white rice or pasta, quinoa's high fiber content slows digestion, providing more stable energy and helping keep you fuller longer, which is great when you're trying to balance muscle growth with fat control. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. So far, we've covered eggs, chicken breast, salmon, Greek yogurt, and quinoa, but muscle growth is a complex process and no single food holds all the answers. That's why your diet should also include supporting players like lean beef, which delivers protein along with creatine and heme iron, oats, which offer clean, slow-burning carbs to fuel your workouts and recovery, and nuts or seeds, which provide healthy fats, minerals, and some plant-based protein. If you're following a vegan or vegetarian diet, don't overlook tofu and tempeh. These soy-based proteins are rich in all the amino acids you need, and they can be marinated and cooked in dozens of ways to suit your taste. Tofu also contains isoflavones, which may help with muscle recovery and hormonal balance. Tempeh, thanks to its fermentation process, also aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. One thing that often gets overlooked in the quest for bigger muscles is the role of carbohydrates. Yes, protein is essential, but without adequate carbs, your body doesn't have the glycogen it needs to power your workouts or replenish your muscles afterward. This is where whole grains, starchy vegetables like sweet potatoes, and legumes can make a big difference. These foods provide not only energy but also fiber, B vitamins, and antioxidants that support a healthy metabolism. Pairing protein with carbs in your post-workout meal, like grilled chicken with brown rice or salmon with sweet potatoes, helps maximize muscle recovery and energy replenishment, which in turn allows you to train harder and grow faster. Let's not forget hydration and micronutrients. Foods rich in potassium, like bananas and avocados, magnesium, like spinach and almonds, and calcium, from dairy or leafy greens, are essential for muscle function and electrolyte balance. Even a small deficiency in these nutrients can lead to cramping, fatigue, and underperformance in the gym. That's why a muscle-building diet needs to be about more than just macros. It needs to be full of colorful, nutrient-dense foods that support your whole system. If you're serious about growing muscle, it's time to take a closer look at your plate. Think beyond calories and grams of protein and start asking yourself, are the foods I'm eating optimized for muscle growth, recovery, and performance? Muscle growth isn't just about lifting heavier weights or doing more sets. It's about creating the perfect internal environment for muscle tissue to repair and rebuild. That environment is built, quite literally, from the foods you eat. Whether it's the leucine from eggs, the omega-3s from salmon, the complete proteins in quinoa, or the anabolic support of Greek yogurt, each of these top foods plays a specific role in the complex and rewarding process of muscle growth. When you combine smart training with strategic nutrition centered around these muscle-building powerhouse foods, you're not just working hard, you're working smart. You're giving your body what it needs to respond to the effort you're putting in. So stop leaving gains on the table. Load your meals with nutrient-dense, high-quality fuel. Your muscles are ready to grow. You just have to feed them right. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.